Hello and welcome. This video is going to show you how to use the expanded column method for subtraction. This is the written method used in year 3. So, imagine I have the sum 234 take away 23. First of all, I need to use my place value headings to set up the sum. So I'm going to put the biggest number in first, 234, and then I'm taking away 2 tens and 3 ones. So just like when you're doing addition, using this method, I'm going to start by putting my ones column subtraction into brackets in the first row. So here I have 4 ones, take away 3 ones, which gives me 1 1 left over. Then I'm going to do my tens column. So here I have 3 tens or 30, take away 2 tens, which is 20. So 30 take away 20 leaves me just 1 10, and I put the answer in the same row. Then I'm going to go into my hundreds column. So I've got 200, subtracting from that, no hundreds. So my answer goes in the same row using my place value headings. Now all I need to do is see how many I've got in each column. So I've got 1 1, 1 10 and 2 hundreds. So the answer is 211.